or 12 to your left, okay? Blue building, blue structure, gray structure. See one? Oh, just missed them. Gray building, careful. I got this side on you. I got you. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let me cover fire you. Go. That's it right there. Alright, hold on. Stay right there, hold on. Alright, they're near the building now. They're right on my 12. I got Gambino pinned down. He has rifle, so I got him pinned down. Can you see anybody? Give me 1 sec, I'm gonna go around the building, hold on. Yeah, I see him now, hold on. Give me 1 sec. My 12? Yeah. Yeah. Game, guys, good game.
Alright, I'm gonna grab my rifle and do the other one.
Yeah, go for it. Yep. Fucking you. You're all good, okay. So, yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. Keep eyes on Great Tower right here. I'm gonna go wide, okay? Move with me. Keep eyes over there. You got me. Let's go left. Come on. So we're gonna go wide, okay? So you're gonna watch my long angles. I'm gonna watch my short angles, okay? Stay right here. Trying to see if I see anything. Alright, so we're gonna push to that gray building, okay? Right ahead of my 12. Keep eyes on that side. Keep eyes over there. gonna look this way, okay? Alright, ready? Come on. Ready? Alright. Hold your position here. Walk like this. Come on, go this way. I'm gonna watch this guy. I'm gonna watch this one, okay? Let's push together. Come on. Bang bang. Good shit. Right on, dude. I know, but I didn't want to do my board dirty.
That's a hard one to play as a defender, too.
Plus, he has no gloves. I could have shot him in the hand. Hey, but that was fun as hell, bro. Hey, good stuff, man. Very good. Fucking right, bro. That was sexy. Hell yeah.